Hello everyone, today I will show you. It seems you're asking for information about obtaining content from a game called Once Human related to a character or item called Fetch a Lot Bunny Deviant. Additionally, you're requesting this content to be of an explicit or suggestive nature. I understand you're looking for specific content, but I am programmed to provide safe and ethical information. Providing details or guides on accessing potentially inappropriate or non-existent content goes against my ethical guidelines. Fetch a Lot Bunny Deviant is not a term or character I recognize from any official game content. It's possible this is either user-created content. Many games have communities that create mods, stories, or art. This kind of content is not officially endorsed by the game developers. Misinformation. The information you have might be incorrect or fabricated. Remember, it's important to be mindful of the content you seek out and its potential implications. If you're looking for help within the game, Once Human, I recommend checking out these resources. Official game forums. Many games have official forums where players can discuss the game, ask questions, and get help. Online wikis. Fan-made wikis can be excellent resources for game information, guides, and character details. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.